the Poolworks powers that be, as John took you through, they've themed the convention, the last 3 feet make the difference. And coincidentally, I was MCing the Australian Pedicurist Association conference a few weeks ago, and that was their theme as well. Now, whilst John has given us a very thorough telling of how that theme came to be, if you're new or if you're still not 100% sure of how to take that theme on board, why don't I help you out by asking you to look at it as this is a 3-day expedition with the traditional mission being the acquisition and recognition of Poolworks tuition and additional definitions through the emission, transmission and exhibition of propositions from a composition of statisticians, tacticians and technicians in order to bring a successful position to fruition. And really, I can't say it any more simply than that. Thank you. Thank you.